Hi and welcome to Math Pre-Calculus 20, Section 7.3, Absolute Value Equations, Example 2. Alright, so we just looked at solving a fairly simple absolute value equation. This one here isn't going to be too much more difficult. Right, so again, the key idea is if we were looking at for something like absolute value of x equals 2, we know that x would either equal 2 or x would equal negative 2, because both of those would have an absolute value of 2. So using that idea, we can go here and go that, well, 2x minus 5 must equal 5 minus 3x, or negative 2x minus 5 must equal 5 minus 3x. So we have the positive version, so this is like case 1, I could call it, and case 2, and then we just solve each of those cases for x, and that should give us our solutions. So this one here, it's just a linear equation, so bring all the x's to one side. So I get 5x equals, take all the numbers to the other side, 5x equals 10, divide both sides by 5, get x equals 2. Okay, that's one solution. Over in this case, first step I have to distribute this negative, so I get negative 2x plus 5 equals, and then 5 minus 3x. Okay, now I want to just isolate the x again, so bring all the x's to one side. So that gives me 1x, and get all the numbers to the other side. So I get 1x equals 0, so x equals 0. Okay, and we could do a quick verification just to make sure these make sense. So if this was 2, this was 2, I'd get 2 times 2, so 4 take away 5, that's negative 1, absolute value of negative 1 is 1. Is that equal to 5 take away 3 times 2, 5 take away 6? Well, that's actually equal to negative 1. So that tells me that this solution here actually doesn't work. It's pretty darn close to working, but it doesn't actually work. So it is important to do that verification. Okay, this other one, we have x equals 0, we want to check that. So if this was 0, it would be 2 times 0 is negative 5, or absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Is 5 equal to 5 take away 3 times 0? Yeah, it is. So that one works. Right, so it's important to do that verification because we didn't have any way of knowing that this x equals 2 here didn't work without checking it. Okay, so we get the one solution here of x equals 0. If you missed any of that, just please rewind and watch it again. I know I went pretty quickly, but hopefully it's making sense. Thank you.